The unglamorous truth is that we all have trash, and so we all need a place to put it. With that being said, the best kitchen trash cans can still be both a stylish and practical addition to your space. If you have small kids or pets, for example, you'll want to find a trash can with a lockable lid, or if you're leaving your trash can out in the open. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 kitchen trash on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics 40-liter, 10.5-gallon soft close. The Amazon Basics trash can is made of stainless steel and features a dome top, which means that even if you've let the trash pile up, you'll still be able to keep the lid closed and odors locked in. The lid of the garbage is soft closing, which means that it not only doesn't make any noise, but it also extends the lifespan of the product. The Amazon Basics trash can has a heavy-duty interior plastic liner that can be easily taken out should you need to tend to any spills or messes inside. Keep in mind that, though sleek and easy to match with other kitchen appliances and decor, stainless steel always carries the risk of smudging unless it is brushed stainless steel or has a special finish to prevent it. This trash can features a smudge-resistant finish and a pedal to make it function hands-free and prevent fingerprints. Number 2. Rubbermaid Classic 13-gallon Premium Step-on Trash. If you're looking for a basic, budget-friendly option, the Rubbermaid Classic Step-on Lid Trash Can is the best kitchen trash can for you. This plastic trash can is available in black, gunmetal blue, white, and bronze, so you can match it to your kitchen style. While plastic is not always the most durable of materials, this trash can was built to last. The Rubbermaid Classic Step-on Lid Trash Can isn't all plastic. It does have a long-lasting, stainless steel pedal that is durable and keeps your hands from touching the trash can. This trash can includes bag arms that helps to keep your trash bag from falling into the can and slipping off the sides. It doesn't have as many impressive features as other trash cans on our list, but because of its classic, reliable design and affordable price, it's the best budget trash can. Number 3. Simple Human 50-liter, 13.0-gallon rectangular kitchen step trash can. Our pick for the best overall kitchen trash can is the Simple Human rectangular step trash can. The trash can features an internal hinge that allows you to place it against the wall without the top making contact with it, so you don't have to worry about your trash can lid leaving marks on your wall. The lid opens silently and smoothly, and there's also an option to leave the lid open if you are chopping a lot of vegetables or cracking quite a few eggs. You also don't have to worry about touching the trash can lid since there is a pedal at the bottom of the trash can that opens the lid. Untreated stainless steel can be a magnet for fingerprints and smudges, but this trash can is made of fingerprint-proof, brushed stainless steel. It's coated with an invisible silver ion coating that also prevents the spread of germs. Number 4. iTouchless 13-gallon Sensor Can Kitchen Trash Can. The iTouchless Sensor Can offers motion sensor technology in hand and foot free use. Just a motion of your hand opens the lid automatically, making it a hygienic choice for a kitchen trash can. This trash can fits 13-gallon trash bags, and it is made of stainless steel. The iTouchless Sensor Can is battery operated, but the batteries, 4D batteries, are not included with the purchase. The trash can only draws power as needed, meaning that, if you go the battery route, they'll last longer. If you don't want to use batteries, you can also opt for an AC adapter that you can buy separately. If that's your choice, keep in mind that you'll need to find a place in your kitchen where your trash can is close to an outlet. This trash can features a carbon odor filter that helps keep your typical trash odors at bay so you won't have to take out the trash quite so often. Number 5. Songmix Trash Can, 2x8-gallon Garbage Can. If you are passionate about recycling, this is the best kitchen trash can for you. The Songmix Trash Can pulls double duty with 2 compartments, one for trash and one for recycling, in a relatively compact size. Each compartment holds 8 gallons each, and both buckets are removable, which makes it easy to clean your trash can. Keep in mind that a typical trash can holds around 13 gallons, so you'll have less space in each compartment for your garbage and recycling. Both compartments have their own pedal and lid, so you can keep one closed as you open the other. This makes it easy to keep odors where they're meant to be, in the trash. You may want to purchase some kind of label for each compartment, that way you and your guests always know which is which. The lids are also soft closing, so they won't slam when they close. It's available in several different colors including almond, black, brown, gray, silver and black, and white and gray. It's made of powder-coated stainless steel, with a plastic inner bucket and lid. The stainless steel is rust-resistant and durable, with a fingerprint-resistant coating that's easy to clean. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.